Hey everybody, it's Bobby here, and I've got a great recipe for you today that really goes back in time. My mom has been making these for a long time. I think I remember them from even when I was a little kid. You may have already seen her make them. They're called lemon blossoms, and they're tiny little muffins with a great sugar glaze on top, and super simple, yet wonderful and delicious. So let's get started. It's going to start with 4 eggs. Yellow cake mix. Come on, cake mix. Yeah, Caught you before you embarrassed me. Yellow cake mix. Pudding mix. Some oil and some water, and I will add those in once we start mixing here. Uh-oh. Come on, you. Oil and 1. Our batter looks really, really good. It's the right consistency and everything. We've got a mini muffin tin here that we've already sprayed. Make sure it doesn't stick. And I'm going to use a small ice cream scoop. I'm going to kind of test this out. We want to get them about halfway full. You know what's nice? So that they'll come up just right. Beautiful. These things really are great, gosh, any time of year, but they're small, which means you can get more of them. But like I said, I remember these really, really going back a long way. Lots of great desserts start with a yellow cake mix. That's the base of lots of great desserts. So it'll take you just a minute to fill up this muffin tin, and we'll get a person come here down. I was able to get 2 muffin tins worth of our mix for the lemon blossoms. So let's go ahead and pop them in the oven. Our lemon blossom muffins came out beautiful. It's cake mix, pudding mix also. If I sound different, Mom stole my microphone, so we're going off of the iPhone there. But our muffins came out beautifully. Now we're gonna make the glaze for them. So I've got powdered sugar that we sifted into this bowl. We're going to add to that some lemon zest, lemon juice, a little water, and also 3 tablespoons of oil once I get the powdered sugar knocked down a little bit. They smell so great. They would probably be delicious as is.
They are. I tasted one.
I'm told that they are delicious as is. Yeah, that looks good. And finally, I'll add this oil. Whisk, whisk, whisk. Our glaze is perfect. Now just with our hands, we're gonna dunk our muffins in, ooh, almost, and put them right onto the cooling rack so they can drip from that.
I'm walking through before I leave.
Well, come on through.
You know what I'm doing today?
Tell me what you're doing today.
I am doing some field.
Got a field piece?
Yeah. All right, Sonny boy, you need to dip the whole entire thing. You just toss it around in there.
Really? Not just the top?
Not just the top.
I was waiting for that.
Yeah, you just hold on, baby. And let me get you
Okay. Well,
some tongs.
I think they look nice with just the
No,
done.
but
No, they don't look nice.
they look pretty good, but you want them totally wrapped in it.
Okay, why don't you go with your fig tray?
Yeah, this one looks bad. Let me get
That looks terrible. Go ahead and fix it
that.
up. Fix it for me since I've made a mistake. Lemon blossoms. They look fantastic. Now, here's the way that my mom does it. She dunks the whole lemon blossom into the glaze, sometimes going back and redunking them into the glaze, so a double dip, if you will. The way that I did, though, was just the top glazed, and then the lemon blossom itself left naked. That's the way I like it. Which do you prefer? Why don't you leave a comment and let us know? They look and smell so good. I'm about to eat them all.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.